What would happen to Deadpool if he was left open in the vacuum of space? Would he explode? Well, before answering that, let's just take some other factors into consideration which might cause extreme harm or even be fatal to Deadpool. First thing, the radiation. As we all know, in the vacuum of space, there's a high level of radiation from the sun and the cosmic rays. Prolonged exposure to this radiation can have detrimental effects on Deadpool cells. Even with his accelerated healing ability, it's pretty doubtful if he might survive that. What do you think? Yo, what about the space debris? Oh yeah, we got a lot of those floating around in the space, including micrometeorites and large pieces of space junk. Well, without any protection, Deadpool would definitely be vulnerable to impacts from these. But none of them would be fatal to him because he has super healing. What about suffocation? Huh? Wouldn't he suffocate to death? Yeah, he would run out of air to breathe. But his body would be frozen and preserved even before he would suffocate. So now, coming back to the first question, would he explode in the vacuum with internal air pressure and blood pressure? Well, Deadpool wouldn't explode in the vacuum of outer space, like a balloon popping if that's what you're imagining. However, there are some misconceptions about what happens to a human body in space. In space, the lack of atmospheric pressure would cause the insides of Deadpool's body to expand, similar to what happens when you inflate a balloon. However, the human body is not airtight, so the gases would escape gradually, and Deadpool's body would not explode in the way some movies might suggest. And talking about blood pressure, the lack of atmospheric pressure would indeed cause bodily fluids like blood to expand. But this process would happen gradually. Before that, he would be preserved in a frozen mummified body. Well, space is extremely cold, where temperatures are almost minus 300 degrees Celsius. So no, he won't die, but would instead be preserved as a frozen mummy until he touches the Earth's atmosphere. Guys, please subscribe to our channel Shitty Pinaj. We work really hard on such videos, and our channel literally has 0 subscribers.